Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Hub. Today, we are diving into the future. Imagine having a pet that doesn't need food or a bath, but has its own personality. Meet EMO, the coolest AI desktop pet of 2026. Is he just a smart speaker with legs, or something more? Let's find out. Look at this design. EMO is inspired by street culture. He wears headphones and has these awesome skateboard-style feet. The front is a high-quality display that shows over 1,000 emotions. Whether he's happy, grumpy, or sleepy, those eyes tell the story. The build quality feels incredibly premium, and he fits perfectly on any office desk or gaming setup. Now, let's talk about the hardware. Inside his head, there's a wide-angle camera. He uses AI to recognize faces. So, when I walk into the room, he knows it's me. He also has 4 microphones to hear your voice from any direction. My favorite part? The touch sensors. If you pet him on the head, he purrs like a cat and shows he's happy. It's surprisingly realistic. EMO isn't just sitting there. He can set timers, check the weather, and even remind you of your schedule. He also has a built-in light that can act as a night lamp. But what makes him unique is his brain. He grows over time. The more you interact with him, the more he learns. Sometimes he might even get sick, and you have to take care of him through the app. It's like having a digital life on your desk.